Are you ready to ditch the lag and get back in the game? Let's dive in and fix the common issue of your Xbox controller refusing to connect to your PC. First things first, ensure your controller has fresh batteries. You'd be surprised what a dead battery can cause. Next, we will check the connection method. If you're going wireless via Bluetooth, make sure your PC has Bluetooth enabled. Head to your Windows settings and confirm that. If you're still facing problems and using a Bluetooth connection, switch the connection type to wired. Now, let's tackle those drivers. Search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Look for your Xbox controller listed under Bluetooth or Xbox peripherals. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose the option to automatically search for drivers. If the automatic update doesn't work, try manually downloading the latest drivers from the Xbox support website and install them. Still not connecting? Consider potential software conflicts. Close any programs that might be interfering with your controller input, like third-party controller mapping software. If you recently installed new software or games, temporarily uninstall them to see if that resolves the issue. Finally, ensure your controller isn't connected to another device at the same time. Disconnect it from your Xbox or any other PC you may have. Restarting both your PC and the controller can also do the trick. Give each of these steps a try, and your controller should be ready to dominate.